I told you that the biggest YouTubers in the world are not doing all the work themselves? No, seriously. They're not sitting up at 2 a.m. editing, they're not writing every script from scratch, and they're definitely not recording voiceovers 12 times until it sounds right. They've figured out something most creators haven't. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is and give you the free tools to do it yourself. Here's the truth nobody talks about. YouTube is brutal. You've got to come up with ideas, write the script, record the video, edit the footage, add captions, create a thumbnail, write a description, optimize for SEO, post consistently, and then do it all again next week. If you're a solo creator or a small business owner trying to grow on YouTube, that's not a content strategy. That's a second full-time job. Most people give up not because they don't have good ideas, they give up because the production process breaks them. Sound familiar? Good news! By the end of this video, you'll know the best free AI tools that can handle scripting, voiceover, editing, and even thumbnail creation, so you can produce more content in less time without losing quality. We're talking real tools, real results, and I'll also show you exactly how professional video teams use these to deliver consistent content at scale. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, Scripting and Content Strategy. Let's start with the most obvious one, but stick with me because most creators are using it completely wrong. ChatGPT. Yes, everyone knows about it, but here's what most creators don't do. They don't give it enough context. If you go to ChatGPT and type, "Write me a YouTube script about AI tools," you're going to get a generic, robotic, boring script, I promise you. But if you say, "Write a YouTube script in a casual, confident tone for a tech-savvy audience of small business owners between 25 and 40, the topic is AI tools for YouTube automation, use a bold hook that starts with a bold statement, keep sentences short, and include pattern interrupts every 30 seconds," now you're getting something you can actually work with. The difference is the prompt, not the tool. This is exactly how we approach scripting at Beep 10 Studio. We don't just ask AI to write something, we engineer the brief, and that changes everything. Use ChatGPT for video scripts, video ideas and titles, video descriptions and tags, comment replies, and full content calendars. And it's free, completely free. Tool number 2, In-Video AI, Script to Video Automation. Okay, you've got your script, now what? For a lot of creators, this is where things get painful. You've got to find the footage, cut it, add text, music, transitions. In-Video AI flips that entire process. You paste your script, or even just a topic, and it generates a full video, stock footage, subtitles, music, and even an AI voiceover, all automatically. Now, is it going to be perfect out of the box? No. But is it going to save you 4 to 6 hours of editing? Absolutely yes. The free plan gives you a solid amount of exports every month, which is more than enough to test the workflow. Where this tool shines is faceless YouTube channels. Think finance, motivational content, news summaries, educational videos. Channels that don't need a talking head, just clean visuals and a good voiceover. Inside our studio, when a client wants to launch a faceless content channel fast, this is one of the first tools we put in the pipeline to get them moving while we set up the proper production workflow. Tool number 3, 11 Labs, AI Voiceover. Let's talk about voiceover, because this is where so many creators get stuck. Maybe you don't like your voice, maybe you're in a noisy environment, maybe English isn't your first language and you're worried about accent or clarity. 11 Labs solves all of that. It generates AI voiceovers that sound genuinely human, not robotic, not weird, actually good. You can choose from dozens of voices, male, female, different accents, different energy levels. You can clone your own voice if you want consistency across videos, and the emotional tone is actually adjustable. The free plan gives you around 10,000 characters per month, which is roughly 2 to 3 full video scripts, enough to test whether this changes your workflow. Quick tip: pair 11 Labs audio with in-video AI visuals, and you've basically built an automated video production pipeline for $0. That's not a hack, that's a strategy. Tool number 4, Canva AI, thumbnails and graphics. You could make the best video in the world, and if the thumbnail is bad, nobody clicks it. Thumbnails are basically your video's billboard, and Canva's AI features have made it easier than ever to create professional ones. Here's what Canva AI can do. Magic design. You describe what you want, and it generates template options instantly. Magic write. It helps you with text copy directly inside the design. Background remover. Crucial for thumbnails where you want to pop against a background. And their AI image generator lets you create custom visuals when stock photos aren't cutting it. You don't need to be a designer. You need to understand one rule: bold face, bold text, bold contrast. Simple, tested, it works. Tool number 5, Opus Clip, repurposing long videos into shorts. This one is a game changer if you're already creating long-form content. Opus Clip uses AI to watch your long video and automatically identify the most engaging moments. Then it clips them, adds captions, formats them for vertical video, and exports them ready for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. One 20-minute video becomes 5 to 10 shorts automatically. Think about what that means for your content output. You record once, the AI multiplies it. The free plan gives you a limited number of uploads per month, which is more than enough to test whether your long-form content has short-form gold inside it, and it almost always does. This is something we do for clients at Beep 10 Studio consistently. A client records one podcast-style video or one talking head piece, and we pull out their shorts, reels, and clips from that single session. Content that used to take a week to produce now takes hours. One recording session, multiple pieces of content. That's leverage. Direct question: are you leaving content on the table every single week? Tool number 6, Descript, editing by text. Now let's talk about editing, because for most people, this is the hardest part. Descript is the tool that changes how you think about video editing entirely. Here's how it works. You upload your video, and it transcribes everything you said, word for word. Then you edit the transcript like a Google Doc. Delete a sentence from the text, it deletes it from the video. Highlight a section, cut it. Rearrange paragraphs, it rearranges the footage. You don't need to learn a timeline. You don't need to know Premiere Pro or DaVinci. You just need to know how to edit a document. It also has an AI feature called Overdub, which lets you fix small speaking mistakes by typing the correct word, and it'll regenerate that audio in your voice. So if you said in 2023 and meant in 2024, you just type the correction. Done. The free plan gives you limited transcription hours, but it's more than enough to fall in love with the workflow. Tool number 7, vidIQ or TubeBuddy, YouTube SEO and research. Here's something a lot of creators overlook. Making the video is only half the battle. Getting YouTube to recommend your video, that's the other half. vidIQ and TubeBuddy are both browser extensions that sit directly inside YouTube and help you understand what people are searching for, how competitive a keyword is, what tags to use, what titles perform best, and what your competitors are doing. Both have solid free tiers. I personally recommend vidIQ for beginners because the interface is cleaner. Use it before you make a video. Research the keyword, understand the demand, then produce content that YouTube already wants to push. Okay, real talk for a second. I've shown you 7 free tools, and every single one of them is legitimate. They work. People are using them right now to grow channels from zero. But here's what I've learned from working with real clients, business owners, coaches, SaaS founders, e-commerce brands, all of whom wanted to grow on YouTube. The tools aren't the hard part. The consistency is the hard part. The systems are the hard part.
because you can have ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Opus Clip, and Descript all open at the same time and still feel overwhelmed trying to make it all work together while also running your actual business. This is where professional production teams come in. At Beep 10 Studio, the workflow we've built looks like this. A client records their raw video, even on their phone or laptop. They send it to us. We handle the scripting refinement, the editing, the captions, the thumbnail, the SEO optimization, the short-form clips, everything. They just show up, record, and we deliver a finished, ready-to-publish video. That's it. No editing software, no struggling with AI prompts, no spending a Saturday afternoon in a Descript timeline. They just create, we handle the rest. And I'm not telling you this to sell you something right now. I'm telling you this because a lot of people watching this video are going to try all these tools, get excited, start strong, and then burn out in month 2 when life gets in the way. Knowing your options is important. Knowing when to delegate is even more important. The creators who scale fastest are not doing it alone. Let me show you how all these tools work together as a system. Because individually, they're good. Together, they're a content machine. Step 1. Research. Use vidIQ to find a topic that people are searching for and that has manageable competition. Don't make videos nobody is looking for. Step 2. Script. Take that topic, go to ChatGPT with a detailed prompt, and generate a first draft. Refine it. Add your personality. Make it yours. Step 3. Record or generate. If you're comfortable on camera, record yourself. If not, use in-video AI with an 11 Labs voiceover. Both are valid. Step 4. Edit. Use Descript to clean up the footage. Remove the ums, the awkward pauses, the false starts. It takes a fraction of the time compared to traditional editing. Step 5. Thumbnail. Jump into Canva, use Magic Design with a clear concept, bold face shot if you have one, high contrast colors, minimal text, 3 to 5 words max. Step 6. Repurpose. Drop the final video into Opus Clip. Let it pull out your best moments for shorts. Schedule them across the week. Step 7. Publish and optimize. Use vidIQ to fine-tune your title, description, and tags before hitting publish. That's a complete YouTube production pipeline built entirely with free tools. If you're disciplined and consistent, you can produce 2 to 3 videos a week with this system working part-time. That's real. Now, if you watched all of that and thought, this is great, but I genuinely don't have the time to manage all of this, or maybe I'd rather just focus on the content side, the ideas and the recording, and have someone else handle everything else, that's literally what we do at Beep 10 Studio. We work with content creators, business owners, coaches, and brands who know that YouTube is one of the most powerful long-term growth channels available, but who also know their time is better spent on their zone of genius, not on editing timelines or thumbnail designs. Our clients send us their raw footage, or sometimes just their ideas, and we deliver publish-ready videos, scripted, edited, captioned, optimized, with shorts pulled out and thumbnails designed. Some of them went from 0 to thousands of subscribers in under 6 months, not because of luck, because of consistency and quality, maintained without the creator burning out. The best content strategy is one you can actually sustain. And sometimes, the most strategic thing you can do is bring in a team. All right, let's wrap this up. Here's your quick recap of the 7 free AI tools we covered today. 1. ChatGPT for scripting and content strategy. 2. InVideo AI for full videos. 3. 11 Labs for professional AI voiceover. 4. Canva AI for thumbnails and graphics. 5. Opus Clip for repurposing content into shorts. 6. Descript for editing your video like a document. 7. vidIQ for YouTube SEO and keyword research. Each of these tools has a free tier. Start with one, get comfortable, then add the next. Now, here's what I want from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these tools are you going to try first. I read every comment, and I'll give you my personal recommendation based on your situation. If this video gave you value, subscribe. We drop content like this regularly: AI tools, video strategy, content automation, everything a modern creator or business owner needs to grow. And if you're serious about YouTube growth but don't want to do all of this yourself, the link to learn more about Beep 10 Studio is in the description. No pressure, just an option for when you're ready to move faster. I'll see you in the next video.